This video tutorial is going to guide you through how to insert certain statistical symbols into Microsoft Word. This will be particularly useful when you're going through your research reports and when you're reporting statistics such as the chi-square for finding the symbols to be able to then report the statistic. So today I'm going to show you how to find alpha, eta and chi in Microsoft Word so that you can insert these symbols. So let's do that now. So I'm just in Microsoft Word and naturally we're in the Home tab, but let's go across here to Insert and click on Insert. So now we want to find our symbols and we go across here where it says Symbol and we click on that to be able to insert symbols. If you've recently used a symbol, it's going to be just in this area down here, so it would be quick to just go click on one. That's mu. But we don't want mu, we want alpha, eta, and chi. So let's go find them. So when you want to find a symbol that you haven't used recently, go to More Symbols. Click on that. And you notice in here there's actually a lot of symbols, but you just click down to be able to search through the symbols, to be able to find the symbols that you want. So sometimes it's, a little bit tricky having to go through all these, but the Greek alphabet's generally a little bit further down here. So yeah, we've found the Greek alphabet, and what I want firstly is alpha. And alpha's just here, so when you want to then insert it, once you've found it, click on alpha and then press insert. And there we go, it's gone into our document for us. But while we're here, let's also get eta and chi. So you click on the letter chi, and go insert, and then also click on eta and insert, and once you finish you just press close. You don't have to do anything else. What will sometimes happen, let's say I'm going to press enter now because I want alpha and chi on separate lines. What sometimes happens is that alpha will then just turn into the letter A as an autocorrect option, but if you go to the thunderbolt symbol below it here, click down and click on undo automatic capitalization, your symbol will remain. So just in case something like that happens. So pressing enter again. Now that's good for symbols, like if your symbol's done alpha, that's all you would need to do. But in the instance where you need to include something like squared to be able to produce a chi-square symbol, you're going to need to insert a superscript or potentially a subscript. So to be able to insert the squared next to the letter chi, we'll go back up to the Home tab up here, and in this area that says Font, we have both a subscript and a superscript option. So to be able to insert a squared, click on the superscript button and press the number 2, and now you have chi-square. And for eta, that's also, you want eta squared sometimes, so you can do the same thing. Go up, click on the superscript button and press on the number 2. And you also sometimes want to do partial eta squared, so I'm just going to copy this and paste eta squared below. And it's gone into the superscript function, so I'm just going to take that off. I'm highlighting it and taking it off. Getting back the superscript for eta. But now I want to have the P between eta and squared. So I'm going to click on the letter P. I'm going to press the letter P. Just not capitalize it, just leave it as is. I'm going to highlight it and I'm going to go up and press the subscript button. And what that does, it creates a small letter below the text line to be able to produce partial eta squared. So hopefully that was helpful in showing you how to go find symbols and also how to insert subscripts and superscripts when you sometimes need to produce them as well to be able to create the statistical symbol you need.